You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word correctly. This is just a prefix. This is also a currency of the European Union. The English pronunciation here, if you want to learn how it's said in different languages, French, Italian, stay tuned, there are videos for you. Euro is how it's pronounced. So it starts with U, just like Y-O-U, U, right? So it's not L or EU, no, U. Euro. Euro. English pronunciation, how to pronounce euro. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.